is an exciting time of year for any gardener. Your garden is coming to life, and it's a great opportunity to plan your vegetation for the upcoming season. This is also the time of year where you may be a bit concerned that some of your plants or trees didn't make it through the winter. Fortunately, there's a quick and easy fix to tell which plants are ready for spring and which ones need to be replaced. That's the scratch test. With your thumb or knife, carefully scratch away a small part of the tree. If you see the tissue is wet with a green or bluish hue underneath, your tree is alive and well. If the tissue is dry, brittle, and brown like this one, the tree is no longer living and it's best to rid it from your garden. Now that you've taken stock of your garden, you're off to a great start. For other tips and tricks, visit starkbros.com.